Hey YouTube, it's Sean. YouTube pays my mortgage. Today is one year anniversary. October 16th is when I took possession of this house and started the renovation. The very first day, it was probably the 16th, maybe the 17th. The first thing I did was remove all the carpet. What am I doing for about the last job is carpet. The staircase is the only thing I have left to do. It already has padding on it and tack strip. I did that last weekend, a few days ago. And now I just need to put the carpet down. So I'm doing my seams out here where I don't have to do them on the staircase, and then I can just start at the top and just let it roll down, and maybe magically it'll just go how it's supposed to go. We'll see. So the carpet comes in 12-foot wide rolls. I had the guy cut off two 4-foot wide, 12-foot long sections, and then I measured my staircase and it's like 27 feet and some change. So I added a 6-foot section just to have plenty of extra, and I'm doing the seams out here. I've got one seam left. I've already cut my straight straight edge on both sides here. I've got the seam taped down. I got the iron fired up. Let's make a seam, and then I'll give you guys a little quick walkthrough. All right, let's give this a shot here. Iron's about 330 or so. This is not the correct iron to do this job, but it's the iron that I have. So we're gonna set it on the glue for a minute. I'm gonna get it sticky, and then I'll pull it off for a minute and get my first seam going real good here. Make sure it is right where it needs to be. It's just like it's like a strip of hot glue is what it is. I got a little bit of glue on it. There's some residual glue on the iron. So now I can stick the iron in the slit and work my way down. Make sure that gets good and sealed up. More on it. Let it sit there for a minute. Let it slide on back. It's all nice and gooey. And once I get it kind of stuck in place, I'm going to flip it over and use another iron on the back of this. And that's how I have figured out how to get it to work the best, because this iron is so big. A carpet iron wouldn't have the carpet opened up this much. Just like some hot glue with the backing. As it goes down, both of them are touching really good. You can feel it with your fingers when you're getting it right where the backing of the carpet is touching each other. There's no overlapping. I practiced this 3 or 4 times before I did my for keeps piece. now I'm going to cut off the glue tails, or whatever you want to call them, and then I'm going to flip this upside down. And get it hot from the backside and really get that glue to go in all the nooks and crannies where it needs to go. All right, got it flipped over. Use them off. Piece of that board right there. And you can tell on this far end from you that it didn't quite adhere like it's supposed to, because it was over at that end and it was hard to get it started. So now I'm going to take a different iron, one that doesn't have glue all over it, and run it down this side. And I'm going to get it hot and gooey and push down, and then let it cool so it doesn't start to separate. Let's see what we got going on here. 248, 284, 264. Yeah, that sounds good. Let that guy sit there for a minute. Got the carpet below it, so protecting it. Maybe just a little bit more. Yep, let that cool, and just like hot glue, cooling down. Let me wrap this up, get it back in its bag, ready for the weekend, and I'll show you the inside. All right, just came in the back door here. We've been living here for about 5 months now. It's still not done, but it's so much better than what it was. Look at the kitchen. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I still got to figure out a door for this laundry room. It was missing a door when I got here, and now I know why. Because with the staircase, you can't open it all the way if you open it to the left. And the size of the washing machine, you can't open it to the right. So we're still trying to figure out something on that. And I still got lots of little things to do, like something up in here. There's lots of things to do. Had to put up some bumper guards. My mom's walker was wrecking the corner, so it's got some poly. There's Skittles. Hey, Skit. Dining room. Living room. Still no furniture yet. Been busy. And here is the stairwell. Got me some little pieces of cardboard here to keep the cat and my toes from stepping on that tack strip. Got some duct tape right on the corners where the padding will wear out first. Found a use for the wasted space up here. As soon as I get the carpet done, I'll be able to do the baseboards and the door trim and stuff in the foyer area here. Definitely different than what it was exactly a year ago. Got my studio right here. Got some cool little curtains to block off the whole area where my filming takes place, and it'll help with sound. And I've got the light of all lights. This is King Daddy light right here. Boom! A billion luminums. All right, guys. There's your little tour and a 1-year anniversary. So this was the video that I took the day of the auction, walking through the house with other folks that were there to bid on it also. It's about 4 minutes long. So this is what it looked like the day I bought it. I couldn't open that door. Neither could anybody. Now we know why after I took it down to put the French doors in. Ooh, I don't even know how it was, standing there by itself. Remember, I took the 2 doors out, and I was getting the frames out, and the frame at the very top fell down, and like nothing was holding it there. Look at the kitchen. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. What a difference now. What a difference. There's the staircase I'm doing right now. That red paint. Oh, look at that. There's the auction truck.
There's a bedroom facing the street. Decent size. I wonder what this is.
That's the ductwork for the air conditioner to come from the crawl space all the way up to the 2nd story. Look at my room. Look at the green room. The bathtub is brand new, like I told you that before. Bath fitter had just done it. Nobody had ever used it. Everybody saying their own comments and stuff like, "Ooh, gosh, ooh, look at those colors. Oh, gosh, ooh, oh, it needs this. Oh, it needs that. Oh," I kept hearing that from everybody that was walking through. There's my mom's room. All that paneling. Whew. Thank goodness I was able to get rid of that and had drywall behind it. I was fully prepared to try to fill in all those gaps in the paneling or whatever, and with drywall mud. And I peeled one back, and there was drywall behind it. And I was like, "Oh, thank goodness." That's a bath fitter shower also. And you guys saw the video where I took that out. I had to use a sawzall to cut it out. Look at that carpet right there. Oh my goodness. What a difference I've put in this place since that. That was September 16th. And I bought it October 16th, which is today, October 16th, 2024. I bought it in 23. And then see that door to the right that has a toilet paper hanging on it? I got rid of that, and I made that a closet, and I put a wall. I did so much. Everybody's face when they walk through was like, "Ooh, ah, ooh." I think that couple might be a grandma or something, was wanting to buy it for their daughter or granddaughter or something like that. Everybody left, so I came back in to look at it one more time without everybody else around, wondering, what's this guy doing with a camera? The auction's getting close to starting. All right.